My microwave says H98 and won't start.
What device is not powering up?
Microwave Panasonic inverter.
How long have you had your H98?
H98 is the error code.
What have you tried so far with your Panasonic product?
Turning it off and resetting it.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
How do I fix this?
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Okay.
So H98 is probably the most common issue that Panasonic microwaves get. H98 can be caused from several things, but it all means the same thing: the magnetron is not drawing the amount of power needed. You could have a faulty magnetron itself, a faulty inverter board, or one of your door switches can just not be activating correctly. You can't test the magnetron or the inverter board, so the best thing to do is check the door switches. Unplug the unit and remove the control panel. This will give you access to the door switches to the left of the control panel opening. There should be 3 switches which you can remove and make sure they don't look burnt. Push on the little actuator buttons and see if the switches still click. If so, then reinstall the switches and shut the door to make sure the door is activating all the switches when the door shuts. If so, then it's time to guess which part you want to replace, either the magnetron or the inverter board. The manufacturer will tell you to replace the inverter board first, but it's really a toss-up. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thank you for your help. It sounds like it is time to get a new microwave. Rate for you 5.
Not a problem, but I wish I had better news for you today.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.